I'm Tejashwini. I'm from Andhra Pradesh, from India. I came here to study in Lyceum Northwestern University for medical. In the last COVID times, we don't have that much doctors in everywhere, like the whole world. So many patients and so many things happen. It's one of my inspiration to become a doctor and serve the people and everything. The eligibility criteria to come here is to qualify the NEET and we can get the seat. Why I particularly choose Lyceum means here we have two government hospitals for us, and every one of the doctors are very knowledgeable to teach. Whoever in the hospitals, they are going to teach to us. It's very rare. The explanation of the doctors, I like how they are teaching, that will be directly go to our mind like that. Just one thing one grabs, that's enough. When we are in BS Bio and even in the first year of medical work, we have anatomy labs and microbiology labs. In that, doctors were very particular and they will show, and each and everyone has to do. That the knowledge we are getting is very nice here. Practical and theoretical knowledge we can get from the microbiology and anatomy. Even for anatomy, we have so many cadavers, and doctors will say particularly this is the topic we have to be. And each for every head and neck topics in the anatomy, lower limb, upper limb, thorax, everything part they will show to us. For the extracurricular activities, we have intramurals. Teachers and the professors and the students, everyone will participate and everyone will get. Even we have Miss College and Mr. College we have, and Mr. University and Miss University also we have. A lot of entertainment we will get. When compared to India, the allowing to touch the patients is not allowed until an internship when you get the license. But here it's like you can touch the patients and you can interview and you can know and you can easily everything you can do. That's the main thing. Do the interviews and surgeries, and we can do deliveries of minimum 10 to 15 we have to do. In India, it was only 1 year internship. But here, even before, we have to go to hospitals and we have to interact with the patients and we have to know each and everything. Okay, after our MD, we can write here one exam is there. Philippines license examination, that one. After that, we can apply here residency and it was continue. And if you want to go to India also, you can write the FMG exam. I'm in the 4th year medical clerk. If I go back to my first year means just from starting day onwards, you just focus on your studies. Like whenever you have time, just focus and study and getting more knowledge. If you want to pursue the MBBS, come to Philippines Lyceum, Northwestern University in Dagupan.